guys, thank you for being here. I'm just gonna keep this intro super short and sweet. Today we're gonna be starting to decorate the upstairs of my house, but first I have to clean my house. Oh, my room is a disaster, so I'm gonna clean it up real quick with you guys, and then we're gonna decorate, and yeah, so let's just get right into the video. Okay, real quick, here's a rundown of my disastrous room. There's stuff everywhere. My kids were in here this morning and just, you know, throwing everything around. And then I need to put all the stuff, like all my makeup and stuff away. There's random things all over the floor, all over here. Like, we need to just get it done. Here, let me show you over here. I'm so real with you guys on here, honestly. Like, don't even judge for this disaster, okay?
We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do.
Okay, so whenever I'm cleaning my room, I really don't know where to start because there's always just stuff everywhere thrown in random places that they don't belong. So I'm very flustered, but if you guys have like a similar layout to my room where the bed is kind of in the middle, I suggest that you just start from one side and work your way over to the other. Like, just do one section at a time and kind of split it up into 3 different sections. That's what I do, and it works out really well, and it makes you like way less overwhelmed. So that's what I'm doing. I got that first section done, and now I'm moving on to section number 2. So let's do this.
Coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are. And you would like me just the way I am. And I would like you just the way you are. The way you are. Oh. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to, what you like to do, what you like to, what you like to, what you like to do.
I'm picking up all of my hair and makeup stuff now. I don't have like a vanity or anything, and I hate standing while I'm doing this because I just like to take my time. It's very therapeutic for me to get ready to look presentable. So I am just cleaning that up. I just sit on the floor, and so that is kind of why everything is all on the floor. So I just gotta clean that up and take care of it, and then I'm just taking care of all the laundry that's on the floor, just dirty clothes. There's tissues everywhere. I don't know, there's just, you know, there's stuff everywhere, and we just gotta take care of it. So gotta get her done. That's what we're doing. And yeah, clean along with me or just get motivated. Whatever you guys want to do.
What you like to, what you like to, what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like to, what you like to do, do what you like to, what you like to, what you like to do.
And making sure all the surfaces are wiped down so I have a clean space to start decorating. I'm so excited to start decorating in this room. I think I am gonna do something like pretty simple this year because honestly, if I'm being honest, I used all of my decor for decorating downstairs, and that was kind of my main priority, so that's okay. So I'm really just using what I have left over. I went shopping in my home, and I'm just kind of doing what is the cheapest. I didn't want to go out and buy anything new. So I'm just gonna finish wiping off this fireplace really quickly, and then I will start making the bed.
Oh,
course, if I'm cleaning my room, I have to change my sheets. I feel like I'm not truly cleaning my room unless I have fresh sheets on my bed. So I'm just gonna change those real quick. I got these new fall sheets. I'm really excited about them. I mean, they're not fall, but I feel like they fit the season really well. They have like this floral print on them, but it's like leafy. I don't really know how to describe it, but it's a nude color. It really fits the tones of my house, and I'm really enjoying it. And I like how it's not white. We always go for like colored sheets because we have dogs that sleep with us, and we also have kids that like to eat in our bed. I know that's not for everybody, but I change my sheets so often. Like, we always are washing our stuff, so not a big deal. Oh, and then another tip I have is I'm putting the sheet on like upside down, so it's not like the right way. So when I fold it over onto the duvet, you can see the print, and it's much more prettier that way. So there's a little tip for you if you've never heard of that before. It's new to me, but yeah, I just thought that was a fun little thing to know.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, take you off, I came in way too strong, cannot keep.
Here's a closer up shot of the sheets for you. They're so pretty. Don't you think they're so pretty? I don't know. I like how they're just neutral, and I feel like they fit with every season. I got them off Amazon. I'll link them down below if you're interested, and they were very affordable. So, yep, love those.
But I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you.
So now that the bed is all made and the room is mostly clean, we're gonna just start getting into decorating. So the first things I'm gonna do is make the bed with some subtle fall colors. So I'm just using these rust pillows that I got. I am so bad at making the bed look aesthetically pleasing. So it took me a while to get this pillow situation right. I didn't end up doing it like this. I changed it around. You guys will see very soon that I just can't decide for the pillows. So you'll have to let me know what looks best if you have any tips for styling pillows. Very new at this. I'm very just like a simple gal when it comes to my pillows, but I really wanted to try something like new. So I'm throwing on these rust colored pillows, and then I also have a cozy Sherpa pillow to go in the front, and then I'm also just adding a nice pumpkin plush pillow, and I didn't know if I should put this on the side like of the bed on the bottom, or if I should put it next to the top. Let me know what you think looks best. I ended up deciding to put it on the top, like by the pillow, just so it could be like standing out a little bit more, and I like the way that it looks. Let me know what you think.
Yeah, I lost you. I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you. Yeah, I lost you. Telling you that I need you.
And then for this little corner, I'm just adding this faux fur blanket and a pillow, and then this nice Sherpa pumpkin pillow. We have many of these in our house because, kids. But yeah, so this was just a nice and simple corner. We always are sitting on here, so I didn't want too many pillows. And then for this little corner, I have this like open gold box thing, so I decided to use it to add some height, but I actually ended up opening it and putting the stuff inside. I'm just playing around with like different pieces of decor here, trying to see what looks best, and then you will see in just a few minutes of what I came up with. I really like how it looks, very simple. And then for this nightstand, I'm just stacking some books in the little slot thing. On the other side, I have a basket and it has like diapers and kids stuff and just random stuff that I need. This side doesn't have that, so I decided to add the same textured pumpkin on that side. It's like a woven texture. It's the same texture as the basket on the other side, so I thought that it balanced out really nicely. And then for the top, I'm making this little jar vase thing that I'm using as a vase is actually an olive oil thing. And I just love the fall colors on this. I think that it goes really well with all of the decor. So I decided to just use it as a vase. There are no rules for decorating, you guys. Like, if you have something around your home that's not supposed to be like for decor, or you're not supposed to use it that way, that's okay. Like, there are no rules. You can do whatever you want. I'm literally using something that belongs in my kitchen on my nightstand. So yeah, it worked.
I won't slow down. Steady on my feet, I'm gonna rise up. No, I won't stop. It is my time. 'Cause I know what it's like to be broke, yeah. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day.
For my fireplace, I'm just keeping it really simple. Again, that's the name of the game in this video today. I'm just adding a pumpkin and a candle and then a nice vase with some pampas grass in it. And then I'm also making this like arrangement. So I have this olive tree and I have extra fall stems. And so I was like, why not just try to add some fall color? So it kind of looks like the green is turning into fall, and it's like a good like transitioning piece. I don't know, it just added a nice pop of color and I think it looks so fall. So I just stuck this in the corner next to my nightstand and it turned out so cute.
So I'm just gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day.
Okay, so I'm just gonna vacuum my room real quick so everything is nice and clean and fresh. And then I will show you guys the reveal of all of the decor. Oh my gosh, do you guys see that little stain right there next to the benches? I don't know what that is. But as I was editing this video, I was like, what in the world? Like, I didn't see that when I was vacuuming. So I went back and I just looked and there sure is a stain, and it's definitely applesauce from my son. But for some reason, I did not see it when I was cleaning. But don't worry, I'll get to that. Anyways, here is the final reveal of all of the decor. guys, so that about wraps up today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you think I should change anything. Like, should I switch things around? Do you like the way it is? Let me know in the comments. I would love to have a chat with you. Also, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you here, and we will see you in a few days in a new video. Mwah! Bye-bye.